And now our favorites. Moving on to the high-rise, 20 to 28. These are the high-rise elevators here at 1000 Town Center, Southfield, Michigan. Parking garage is up over that way. So these are the high-rise. These go from 1 and 2 to 20 to 28. Let's go up to 28. Here we go. The high rise. These are going to be fast. Here we go. Look like, yeah, they got the Dover door tracks. Ooh, my ear's popping. Let's go down. Interesting that says 15. Because these don't serve 15. There's the main entrance to the building over there. Okay, we'll take this one. Elevator 11. Here we go. We're gonna get a cab view. Here we go. We're gonna send this one away. Oh, this floor is completely vacant. That would be cool to have office space up here on the top floor. As you can see, it's starting to get dark outside. Let's see which one we're gonna get. Firearm is hanging out from the ceiling. There we go. That's one we haven't ridden yet. Let's go to 1. Stop in at 24. Go down?
Yes, thank you.
No problem.
Go down to Panera and they'll have lunch there and stuff. And, yeah. When she got married, Lori at that time, she had just got her little job, and Rebecca, and she had to buy Rebecca something for her wedding. And she didn't want me to buy it. She had to personally buy her something for her wedding. My daughter went out there. Yeah, I'm telling you, she changed a lot. Are you taking pictures of me?
No, I'm taking a video.
Oh,
Just taking a video of it. I make documentaries because I like elevators and stuff, so I go around the state and take videos. So,
Only if you're number 2.
I don't like it that much. All right, you be careful.
yep, have a great night. Are you going up or down?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Have a good night.
Thank you.
Start and stop. Wow, that was pretty quick.